Hello, welcome. So today we're going to continue with jupeb 2015 biology past question. Question 8. Which of the following is the correct outline of the main event in photosynthesis? A. Oxygen reacts with carbohydrates to produce water and carbon dioxide in the presence of light. B. Light joins carbon dioxide to an acceptor compound which is then reduced by hydrogen obtained from water. C. Light splits water and the resulting hydroxyl group combined with a compound which has incorporated carbon dioxide. D. Carbon dioxide combined with an acceptor compound and this is reduced by hydrogen split from water by light. So there you have the correct answer to be D. In photosynthesis, we have two major stages. We have the light stage and the dark stage. So now, the light stage, one major event that happens in the light stage is what we call photolysis. And this photolysis involves the splitting of water by sunlight. So we have the equation to be something like this: 4H2O, this is water, given hydrogen and hydroxyl group. So now this hydrogen is what is going to be used in the dark stage. This hydrogen here will then combine with carbon dioxide to produce starch. So there we have, that's why the D is the correct answer. So hit the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and drop a comment in the comment section if you have any question. Thank you.